Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to tell if you're blocked on Bluesky. Alright, on Bluesky right here, there isn't a direct notification if someone blocks you. Alright, but there are a few signs that might indicate you've been blocked. First up, their profile disappears. If you try to visit their profile and get an error like user not found, they may have blocked you or deleted their account. Second one here is that you can see their post. If their posts no longer appear in your feed or search, but other users can still see them, it could be a block. The third one here is that there will be no interaction possible. If you can't reply to their post, like or repost them anymore, you might be blocked. The fourth one here is that mentions are unclickable. If someone tagged them in a post and you can't click on their username to visit their profile, they may have blocked you. The fifth one here is that you may need to check with another account. Now, if you have access to another Bluesky account, you may want to try to search for them there, alright? If you can see them on the other account but not on yours, it's likely you've been blocked. Now, Bluesky doesn't have a traditional block notification like some platforms such as X or formerly known as Twitter. Alright, so these indirect methods are the best way to tell. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.